Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure your phone number can receive SMS or calls because Apple sends a verification code. Sign into your Apple ID in Settings. This ties iMessage to your account, so use the same ID across devices. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi or enable cellular data. A reliable connection prevents delays. Make sure no VPN is blocking Apple servers. Now go to Messages in Settings to start activating iMessage with your number immediately. Turn on iMessage in Settings Messages. Toggling it starts the activation sequence, which contacts Apple servers. Then tap Send and Receive and ensure your Apple ID is signed in and the phone number is checked under You can be reached by iMessage at. This links the number to iMessage for sending and receiving. If you see waiting for activation, give it a few minutes while your device exchanges verification data. Make sure your device time and date are correct, because mismatches can block activation. Finish by testing. Send an iMessage to a contact who uses iMessage and confirm you see blue bubbles and delivery receipts. If activation didn't complete, restart your iPhone, wait 5 minutes, and toggle iMessage off and on to force reattempt. Make sure your carrier allows SMS for verification. Contact them if SMS or shortcode messages are blocked. One key troubleshooting tip. If you still see waiting for activation after 24 hours, sign out of your Apple ID, restart, then sign back in or consult Apple support.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.